Çekilsin orada. Yavaş.
Hi, Faraz Yunus from UC Market Foundation. Here today on the 25th of May 2023, arranging a Eid Party celebration for the customers. See all the happy faces, the gifts, Coke raising the capital today, Coke raised a generous amount for all of these gifts to be bought, and we're arranging food as well. We've got food after this. Please, this is the party for the children. Thank you so much for all the support. And thank you for bringing so many happy faces.